Okay, so how do you express yourself when you want to say not only but also? For example, he's not only handsome but also smart. You should know that handsome is 帅, right? 帅. And smart is 聪明, right? So 他不仅帅还聪明. So you need to remember 不仅 something 也 or 不仅 something 还 or 不仅 something 而且. Okay? For example, she loves not only eating but also cooking food. You should know that eating means 吃, right? 吃 and cooking food is 做饭, right? 吃做饭 and love is 喜欢, right? 喜欢 means love or like. It's a very common word. So she loves not only eating but also cooking food. 她不仅喜欢吃，还喜欢做饭, right? So if you get rid of not only but also, is she loves eating, she loves cooking food, right? So 她喜欢吃 she loves eating, and 她喜欢做饭 she loves cooking, right? And you want to say not only but also, so you can add 不仅 before loves eating and 还 before loves cooking food. Okay, so she loves not only eating but also cooking food is 她不仅喜欢吃，还喜欢做饭. Okay, and next one, Shanghai is not only an advanced city but also a safe place to live. Okay, so what is advanced? Is 发达, right? 发达. Shanghai, well, you should know it. It's a very famous city, right? Advanced is 发达, city is 城市, safe is 安全, right? And the place is 地方, live is 生活, 居住, right? So how do you say it? 上海不仅是个发达的城市，而且居住也很安全. Okay, to make this sentence more authentic, I just said 居住也很安全, which means a safe place to live. Okay, so 上海不仅是个发达的城市，而且居住也很安全。上海不仅是个发达的城市，而且居住也很安全。